Hey guys, in this video we'll go over how to know who liked you on Bumble. So first you want to launch Bumble, okay? And then what you need to do is come here and at the bottom right, you will see this option that says liked you with the heart, okay? Just go ahead and click on this and here you can see about 13 people have liked me. And to be able to see who these people are, right, there's 7 nearby, and we have 13 total. All this is blurred. We cannot see this until we come here at the bottom and click on see who likes you. And then we need to get the Bumble Premium plan. So you can go ahead and get a monthly plan. This comes out to about $11.66 a week. You can get a lifetime plan with no subscription. You pay just one time, okay? Or you can get a 6 months plan. So the more you get, the larger the plan is, the cheaper it gets. But if you want, you can just get a 1 week plan as well. Get the plan, go ahead and pay for it, and then everything will be unblurred and you'll be able to see who liked you. So there's different ways to pay. Okay, you can check out using Google Play and the Bumble app itself. So Bumble has your debit cards, Visa, MasterCard, PayPal. You can pay via the bank and other options like that. So here we have Google Play Credit, Amex, or you can pay via PayPal as well. And then you can go ahead and subscribe. Really that easy and simple.